Okay, welcome back to all of you in the room and to those of you who are watching the webcast. This session we will be focused on law and policy responses to bullying. As bullying has garnered greater attention in recent years, state legislatures have taken note and have responded. 49 states now, as you saw one of the slides this morning, 49 states now have anti-bullying laws, which we'll hear vary greatly. As with any legal response to social harm, often what we see is that new legislation moves quickly, and often it responds to high-profile anecdotal evidence, and thus may or may not be rooted in evidence-based research. Also, sometimes it simply takes time for us to understand what impact a law might have, how it ends up being enforced, and what unintended consequences might occur. So the evaluation piece is really critical as well. What we want to do today is provide a brief overview of recent legislative activity, discuss the impact of law and policy. Our first speaker will look at specific policy interventions and the results there, and then take a step back and look at how bullying fits within, and responses to bullying fit within the broader legal framework that addresses issues affecting children. What legal considerations that arise when you're dealing with children generally apply in this context, and what do we need to pay attention to? So for that, we have two esteemed experts. We'll hear first from Mark Hatzenbuehler, who's an assistant professor at Columbia University's School of Public Health. There he also co-directs the Center for the Study of Social Inequalities in Health. And then second, we'll hear from Doug Abrams, a professor at the University of Missouri School of Law. And Doug also serves on the advisory board of the Missouri Division of Youth Services. More complete bios that go on and on about all their accomplishments are in your materials. I'll turn the podium over now to Mark.